warm good morning to all. Margaret Thatcher had once quoted, "No generation has a freehold on this earth. All we have is a life tenancy with a full repairing lease." This quote has come to its true sense as we observe International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer on 16th September every year to create awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer and find some possible solutions to preserve it.
World Ozone Day was first celebrated on 16 September 1995, commemorating the date of signing Montreal Protocol in 1987, which is a massive collaboration of more than 24 member nations of the UN. They together signed and pledged to protect the ozone layer by limiting the use of chlorofluorocarbons and harmful elements that cause the depletion of the ozone layer in the atmosphere. The theme for the celebration of this year's World Ozone Day is Montreal Protocol, keeping us, our food and vaccines cool. This year's World Ozone Day seeks to highlight the Montreal Protocol that has done so much, such as slowing climate change and helping to boost energy efficiency in the cooling sector, which contributes to food security. The ozone layer is a common term for the high concentration of ozone that is found in the stratosphere around 15 to 30 km above the Earth's surface. Ozone present in the upper atmosphere absorbs ultraviolet radiation, another type of solar energy that's harmful to humans, animals, and plants. It covers the entire planet and protects life on Earth by absorbing harmful radiation from the sun. Prolonged exposure to UVB radiation is linked to skin cancer, genetic damage, and immune system suppression in humans and animals, and lower yielding agricultural crops and marine life too. Ozone depletion does not cause global warming, but both of these environmental problems have a common cause: human activities that results in the emission of halogen source gases, which contains chlorine and bromine atoms. Chlorofluorocarbons and halogens cause chemical reactions that break down ozone molecules, reducing ozone's ultraviolet radiation absorbing capacity. These emissions into the atmosphere ultimately leads to stratospheric ozone depletion. Without knowing how ozone layer protects us from this ultraviolet radiation, we human beings are depleting the ozone layer. Now, let's see how we can protect our ozone layer. Here are a few tips. Maintain air conditioners, as their malfunction cause CFC to escape into the atmosphere. Minimize the use of vehicles. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that lead to global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Use eco-friendly cleaning products. Most of the cleaning products have chlorine and bromine, releasing chemicals that find a way into the atmosphere and affect the ozone layer. These should be substituted with natural products to protect the environment.
the mission to protect the ozone layer has proved to be one of the most successful environmental agreements to date. A united global effort to phase out ozone depletion is showing its first signs of recovery. The hole in the ozone layer is healing, in turn protecting human health, economies and ecosystems. Earth without ozone is like a house without roof. On the World Ozone Day, let us take encouragement from how the world has worked together to protect the ozone layer and to apply the same will to the healing of the planet and forging a brighter and more equitable future for all humanity. Let us take an oath to protect the ozone layer and save life on Earth. Thank you.